Hello children. Yesterday we stopped at that who could enter temples, isn't it, in the last class? So, today we will discuss this, that is, who could enter the temples. Okay, that is, as it is given, Ambedkar was born. That is, Ambedkar had noticed this since his childhood that being from Meher family, he was never allowed to sit in the class with upper caste boys or enter the temple. So, when in 1927 he returned from the US, okay, where he did his higher studies due to fellowship which he had received, he started fighting against this injustice and made three attempts of temple entry movement. That is between the year 1927 and 1935. And this Brahman priest as Dalit, they used water from the temple tank, and their main aim was to make people see the power of caste prejudice within the society. Okay, then in non-Brahmin movement, we can say that the non-Brahmin movement was started by those non-Brahmin caste that had access to education, wealth, and influence. Okay, so they argued that Brahmins were the invaders. Okay, Brahmins were the invaders. They were the Aryans from the north who had conquered southern land from the real inhabitants of the regions, that is the Dravidians. Okay, and EV Ramaswamy Naikar, or we can say Periyar. Okay, so he was called, was from a middle class family, and uh, he was an ascetic in his early life and had studied Sanskrit scriptures. Okay, later on he became member of Congress, which he left because of the caste discrimination. Okay, that is, he experienced organized by the nationalist, and he found the self-respect movement also. That is, he argued that untouchables were the native of Tamil and Dravidian culture which had been subjected by Brahmin, and he advocated that all religion authorities saw caste division as god given. Therefore untouchables had to free themselves from all religions, okay, in order to achieve social equality. So the forceful speech, writings, and movement of this lower caste leaders led to rethinking. But orthodox Hindu society, they also reacted by founding Sanatan Dharma Sabhas and Bharat Dharma Mahamandal in the north, and associations like Brahman Sabha in Bengal and all. And the main aim was to justify the caste distinction, okay, as a cornerstone of Hinduism. So such debates are still present in our society now also. Okay, so now comes, we can see the Brahmo Samaj is there. Okay, then Ramakrishna mission is there. So in Brahmo Samaj, what is it? It is formed by 1813 Keshub Chundar Sen. That is, he prohibited all the forms of idolatry and sacrifice, believed in the Upanishad, and critically drawn upon the this ideals of religions, especially in Hinduism, Christianity, and all. Okay, then in Young Bengal, they formed by, we can say, Henry Louis Vivian de Rosia, a teacher at Hindu College, Calcutta, in 1820. Okay, so he prompted radical ideas. That is, his student attacked the traditions and customs and demanded education of women's. Okay, so then next we can say Ramakrishna Mission. So he was founded by this Ramakrishna Mission, Swami Vivekanand. That is after his guru named Ramakrishna Paramhans. Okay, and his original name was, that is, Swami Vivekananda's original name was Narendranath Datta. Okay, Narendranath Datta, and he asked the youth to unite on the basis of common spiritual heritage. His mission was to uplift the this masses. Okay, then in Prarthana Samaj, it was found in 1867 at Bombay. Okay, and the main aim, we can say, was to remove this caste restriction, then encourage women education, to abolish child marriages. Okay, then in Veda Samaj, it was inspired by Brahmo Samaj, Veda Samaj. Okay, so and its main aim was to abolish this caste distinction also, then women education. Okay, and then comes Aligarh movement, that is a college named the Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College. It was founded by Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875 at Aligarh, and later became Aligarh Muslim University. So the institution offered modern education including western science to Muslim. So this movement lead to a heavy impact in the area of education. Then in Singh Sabha, if we say, so the first Singh Sabha was formed at Amritsar in 1873 and then at Lahore in 1879, and the main aim was sought to rid Sikhism of superstitious belief and caste distinction and non-Sikh practices. Okay, so these were the reforms, organizing reforms, we can say. Understood? So I hope everybody clear this chapter. Yes, so once again go through the chapter, it will be more clear to you. Okay, thank you so much, bachas. God bless you all.